Kian, you're 5 weeks old. Let's see what Daddy was doing to you.
This is a little massager. We're just going to put it on his back, on his head.
What do you think of that? That's almost a smile. Look at that smile. Oh yeah. That's life, isn't it, buddy?
Okay, one more.
Wait, we're still smiling. Oh, okay. So Cameron wants to play too. Cameron, can you say hi? Oh, you want to put it on your head. You say hi? All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.